What is going on YouTube? Nicole Spence here. Alright guys, so I just kind of wanted to show you what's going on with my house and my little project that, you know, I bought a house and I'm having to redo it, and the top is going to be the rental and the bottom is going to be my home. So it's really exciting. I'm going to go through the top here and show you guys kind of what's going on. And the top's actually already a little bit complete. We're gonna have somebody come in and do a deep cleaning, and it's pretty much ready to go. There's a few minor things, but I'm gonna let you guys know what I have done and what we fixed and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna take you downstairs and let you see the Mermaid Cove, which is gonna be my area. So, all right guys, well, let's see.
Better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire.
Alright, this is my first time ever renovating a house, and it's my first home. We just went to Lowe's and loaded up on stuff that we need to start renovations upstairs, which upstairs is going to be a rental. There's some flooring, light fixture, a new vanity for the bathroom, fan blades, painting, more light fixtures, faucet, all kinds of good stuff. This is gonna be exciting, a lot of work. Headed back down to Venice, which is a good hour-and-a-half drive from town. There's the paint. I picked like a light gray color with white. I think it's gonna be really nice. And then the flooring is like just a regular, kind of like wood look. I can't really see it in here, but all right. Stay tuned for the finished product. So downstairs is actually going to be my apartment when we're all said and done. And upstairs is gonna be, like I said, the rental. So pretty exciting. Mermaid Cove is coming back. I got this big, beautiful bed, and I cannot wait to take it out of storage and have it back. Okay, so we've got the kitchen here. Got an old stove. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to replace it or not just yet. And excuse the mess, I'm actually over here editing. We're gonna get rid of the extra AC unit there and the refrigerator. I haven't quite decided if we're going to replace it or not. It still works great. New fixture there as we're heading into the living room. Got some Wi-Fi hooked up right there so I can upload videos for you guys. We got a new fixture there as well. And we're gonna head down the hallway here. So like any house, we do have an attic. I need to replace that fixture there. And this is the bathroom. So we got a nice sized bathroom. We've got a, you know, nice sized bathtub. I think the person that owned this before was in a wheelchair because there is an elevator. There's a nice closet, and then as you can tell, there's like a seat and everything and all the bars to be able to hold himself up, so. And this is actually a new vanity that we just put in. I have to get a mirror for right there, and this will be ready to go. That's the bathroom. Actually, let's start here. This is the bedroom across the way from the bathroom. And we just freshly painted these walls this really pretty gray color, as you can tell. And then we put in this nice fan and light fixture. There's a nice sized closet here. Pretty cool. We redid the flooring in here because it was all like messed up and everything. This is gonna be the washer and dryer area. Probably getting a new washer and dryer. It's kind of weird that it's in the first bedroom, but I mean, it's a decent sized bedroom. It's okay. It was, you know, it's an older house that I'm redoing or renovating. Actually, let's go to the second bedroom. So here's the second bedroom. And again, we, you know, repainted all 3 bedrooms this really nice gray color. And got a nice size closet here. So there's still like paint and everything on the floor from whenever we painted, which I have a lady coming in the next couple of days, and she's gonna do a full-blown deep cleaning to get everything, get all, you know, all the marks and everything up. This room is kind of one of my favorites, even though it's smaller, but look at the pretty floors. We just redid the floors because in here, this area, we actually, it was all rotted out, and we had to replace the vanity and the flooring in here, so we just went ahead and replaced all of it. Isn't this wood so nice? I love it. And it looks so good up against that gray and white. Ugh, it's awesome. Lots of really nice lighting in this bedroom, as you can tell, and there's another closet. I love about this house is there's plenty of closet space in every single bedroom. And then I'm gonna show you guys where the elevator is. Sorry, they're working on the mermaid cove down there, as you can tell. So there's my elevator. I'm actually going to just close this in and lock this door. And you know, I'll have the elevator upwards, and I'm gonna basically turn this into like a big storage for maybe like Christmas or extra decorations or anything of that nature. But yeah, guys, this is my this is going to be my rental. I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do with it just yet, as far as like if I want to rent it out long term or if I'm gonna turn it into an Airbnb for people that want to come down here. We are down in Venice, Louisiana, so it's hard to find places to live. But I haven't quite decided, but this is gonna be the rental. So, all right, well, let's head downstairs to what I'm gonna call the Mermaid Cove. And it's gonna be all behind the scenes of Nicole's Fishing Bed and Breakfast. It's gonna be where all the magic happens. It's gonna be where I edit and post all of my videos for you guys, and it's gonna have everything. It's gonna be where I stay. It's gonna be my home base, where I come in between trips and everything else. It's gonna be where I do all my cooking for the bed and breakfast. So I'm super excited about this, guys. This is a huge step in my life and adventure, and I'm really excited to share it with you, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and head downstairs. Okay, so just walking out the front door here. Okay, so this is gonna be my front door. And there's the famous elevator that I want to get rid of, but we're gonna keep it. And this is gonna, you know, when it's all said and done, this is gonna be my living room area. And then we are gonna open up into, this is gonna be my kitchen. And oh wow, they just got done starting to build this. This is gonna be my pantry where, you know, all my extra stuff for the bed and breakfast is gonna go. I think my sink is gonna be over in this area, and I'm pretty sure my stove and stuff like that in that nature, and it's gonna go all the way around. And then I'm gonna have a nice big beautiful island right in the middle, you know, to be able to work from and all that. Let's walk around here. This is gonna be my bathroom. So apparently, we may have to come back and do this because it's really loud. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up to follow more outdoor adventures with Nicole.